Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of k, where 3 to the power k is equal to k to the power 9, or raising both sides power by 1 over 9, we can write left side 3 to the power k whole to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to right side k to the power 9 and whole to the power of 1 over 9. We have taken both sides power by this 1 over 9, or applying exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So applying this, we can write 3 to the power this k times 1 over 9. K times 1 over 9 is equal to, similarly this right side we will get k to the power this 9 times this 1 over 9, or left side this will be 3 to the power multiplying these two terms, this k times 1 is k over this 9 is equal to, from right side this 9 and this 9 will cancel out and it will be k to the power 1, that means k. Now exchanging side, we can write this right side to left, so we can write k is equal to this 3 to the power of this k over 9. Again, raising both sides power by 1 over k, we will get left side k to the power this 1 over k is equal to right side 3 to the power this k over 9 and whole to the power of 1 over k. We have taken this 1 over k to both sides. So left side this will be k to the power of this 1 over k is equal to, from right side we can write 3 to the power of this k over 9 times this 1 over k, or left side is k to the power of 1 over k is equal to, from right side this k and this k will cancel and it will be 3 to the power of 1 over 9, or left side k to the power of 1 over k is equal to this 3, and if we take this 3 and 1 over 3, this will cancel and it will be 1 and this 1 over 9 and it will remain same as 1 over 9, or left side k to the power of 1 over k is equal to this right side we can write 3 to the power 3 to the power of this 3 and whole to the power of this 1 over 3 times this 1 over 9, or left side k to the power of 1 over k is equal to this 3 to the power 3 is 27 whole to the power of this 1 times 1 is 1 over 3 times 9 is 27. So left side k to the power 1 over k is equal to right side 27 to the power of 1 over 27. Now comparing both sides, we can write the value of k is equal to 27, and this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.